Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, the dancehall music fraternity is in mourning right about now due to an incident that happened where a fellow entertainer lost her life at Olava, St. Catherine. Now, 24 years old Keshan, whose real name is Kenisha Brown, was shot and killed in Olava, St. Catherine at a place that is called Sharper Lane. It has been reported that sometime after 12 a.m. on the 20th of July 2019, Keshan was in a dispute with a man that is said to be a licensed firearm holder. It has been reported that she threw several stones into his car and stabbed him several times before the licensed firearm holder discharged one round, hitting her in the upper body. It has been reported that she was taken to the hospital where she died while undergoing treatments. There is also reports that the licensed firearm holder was taken to hospital under police guard and will have to give statement as he is released. Keshan, which is from a Marlymount address in the parish of St. Catherine, is known for songs like The Goods and Bubble Your Body, collaborations that has been done with Vybz Kartel. As the news hits on social media, incarcerated Vybz Kartel also made comments and mourned the loss of a fellow co-worker. There are other entertainers throughout the music industry that give their condolences to a fellow co-worker as well. Alright, so you don't know me, Dancehall Skiller. I only bring to you a hot on social media, keep you up to date and posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Gonna big up on yourself. You see it.